In this video, I will explain jaundice. Definition: jaundice is yellowish discoloration of the skin, sclera, and mucous membrane due to hyperbilirubinemia and deposition of bile pigment. It is usually detectable clinically when the plasma bilirubin exceeds 50 micromole per liter. Jaundice is not a disease but rather a sign that can occur in many different diseases. Jaundice is an abnormal condition, and in this condition, yellowing is associated with the accumulation of bilirubin in the skin, most often caused by liver and gallbladder disorders. Type of jaundice: jaundice of three types: prehepatic jaundice, intrahepatic jaundice, and posthepatic jaundice. Prehepatic jaundice arising from the blood before it enters the liver. In case of prehepatic jaundice, serum total bilirubin concentration is lie in range 5 to 70 micromole per liter or 0.3 to 1 milligram per dl. Intrahepatic jaundice is caused due to disease of liver parenchyma, and in case of intrahepatic jaundice, serum total bilirubin concentration lie in range 50 to 350 micromole per liter or 0.3 to 20 milligram per dl. In posthepatic jaundice, the result of obstruction of biliary tree outside the liver is observed. In case of posthepatic jaundice, serum total bilirubin concentration lie in range 100 to 750 micromole per liter or 0.6 to 45 milligram per dl. The prevalence of jaundice varies with age and sex. Newborns and older adults are most often affected. Approximately 20% of the newborn develop jaundice in the first week of the life, primarily because of immaturity of the hepatic conjugation process. Congenital abnormalities, hemolytic or bilirubin uptake disorder, and conjugation defects are also responsible for jaundice in infancy or childhood. Viral hepatitis A is the most frequent cause of jaundice among school-age children. Common duct, stone, alcoholic liver disease, and neoplastic jaundice occur in middle-aged and older patients. Prehepatic jaundice is caused due to hemolytic anemia, malaria, and reduced cell wall in lifespan. In hepatic jaundice, there is defective liver metabolism and obstruction of a small bile duct, and it is caused due to congenital enzyme defect, iron storage disease, reduced hepatic bilirubin uptake, alcohol, cirrhosis, drug and environmental chemicals, hepatic tumors, pregnancy, gallstone, and primary biliary cirrhosis. Posthepatic jaundice is caused by infection or inflammation of the biliary tree, gallstone, carcinoma, pancreas, gallbladder, bile duct, pancreatitis, and drug. There are some drugs that cause jaundice, like acetaminophen, salicylate, and high-dose tetracycline cause dose-dependent hepatocellular damage. Dantrolene, sevoflurane, ketoconazole, antidepressant, isoniazid, pyridiazid, and ethambutol cause dose-dependent hepatocellular damage. Methyldopine mefenamic acid drug cause hemolysis by autoimmune mechanism. Carbimazole, oral contraceptive, sodium orothiobalate, chlorpromazine, chloropropamide cause cholestasis. Signs and symptoms of jaundice. There are some common signs and symptoms seen in individuals with jaundice include yellow discoloration of the skin, mucous membrane, whites of the eye, light colored stool, dark colored urine, itching of the skin, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, fever, weakness, loss of appetite, headache, confusion and swelling of the leg and abdomen. Next, diagnostic test. Total bilirubin concentration in prehepatic jaundice is normal and sometimes it is increased. In hepatic jaundice and posthepatic jaundice, it is found also increased. Conjugated bilirubin in prehepatic jaundice is normal, and hepatic jaundice and posthepatic jaundice, in both conditions, it is found increased. Unconjugated bilirubin in prehepatic jaundice, sometimes it is found normal or sometimes it is found increased. In hepatic jaundice, it is found increased. In posthepatic jaundice, it is found normal. Urobilinogen in prehepatic jaundice is normal or sometimes increased. In hepatic jaundice is increased and posthepatic jaundice is decreased or negative. Urine color in prehepatic jaundice is normal. In hepatic jaundice, it is dark due to the presence of urobilinogen and conjugated bilirubin. In post-hepatic jaundice condition, it is dark due to the presence of conjugated bilirubin. Stool color in prehepatic jaundice is normal, and in case of hepatic jaundice, it is normal and sometimes it is pale color. In post-hepatic jaundice, it is pale color. Alkaline phosphate level in pre in condition of prehepatic jaundice, it is normal, and in hepatic jaundice and post-hepatic jaundice, it is increased. Alanine transferase at aspartate transferase level in prehepatic jaundice is normal, and hepatic and posthepatic jaundice it is increased. Conjugated bilirubin in urine. In case of prehepatic jaundice, it is not present, and in case of hepatic jaundice and posthepatic jaundice, it is present. 6. Prevention of jaundice. Due to the wide range of potential cause, it's not possible to prevent all cases of jaundice. However, there are 4 main precautions that you can take to minimize your risk of developing jaundice. They are maintaining a healthy weight for your weight and build, ensuring that you stick to the recommended daily amount, that is RDA, for alcohol consumption, minimizing your risk of exposure to hepatitis C because there's currently no vaccine for condition. Jaundice caused due to genetic defects. First, neonatal physiological jaundice, Crigler-Najjar syndrome type 1 and Crigler-Najjar syndrome type 2.